Greetings and welcome to another tutorial from Information Technology. My name is Armand Blankenship, Change Management Director in IT Services. We bring to you today a tutorial for how to use Alabama A&M's Web Printing for our students. This is a new tool, a new capability that will make it easier for our students to print, whether they are in the library or if they're in their residential halls. And this will work for those particular areas. And you can start out by going to our page under Information Technology Services, and we will have this available under our My AAMU portal page as well, hyperlinked for easy download. But with this new tool, you're able to have your laptop device, your tablet, or even your phone, and actually download this client. And this does work for iOS, Windows, and it works for Android. So you're able to take your device and do printing to the nearest Konica printer, whether that is in the library or your residential hall. So without further ado, let's get right to it. I am on our page currently in IT where we do have this print client that you can download. Also, there will be instructions related to Windows, as you see here. We have iOS. There are some instructions on how to download that print client, and it's there for Android. So at the top here, we have it hyperlinked, and let's go ahead and launch that. And you can do this in a fresh window tab as well. Of course, you see the pathway. It was masked in the hyperlink there, but the same pathway you can copy. You can go to a new tab if you would like and just paste that in the setup as well, and you hit enter, you can still get to the same page. So we did want to show that. I am on a Windows machine, so it is automatically reading it for Windows. But if it's not the correct operating system, you certainly can choose Android. You can choose Chrome, iOS, or you can go through and choose Mac OS for the download client. But for today, we're just going to go ahead and start that download. It happens pretty quickly. Once you go ahead and open that, there's a small setup wizard that you'll need to do. Windows will look a little bit different than iOS, but pretty easy. English, definitely okay. Just accept the user agreement, and we move through the setup wizard. It's pretty quick. Won't take that long at all, and it should finish here downloading with over probably about the next 20 or 30 seconds here. It should complete. All right, you just go ahead and click next. Your username, of course, in this environment will be your first name dot last name, and the password will usually be your A number. So let's show that here. And I'm typing in my username, and now my password. And I'm going to go ahead and OK and finalize the install there. So we are finished setting up that print wizard, or setting up the print client. So in order to use that, as long as you are in the LRC or the library, or you're in your residential hall close to your Konica Minolta printer, you could simply just go in and do a screen print. So right now I could go to the right here and print directly out of my mobile browser. The driver you want to select is Find Me, PC Prod, or Mobility there. That's the one you want. And you just simply send that to the printer in your residential hall, or if you're in the library. Thank you so much for paying attention during the tutorial today. We hope that you have learned something about the new tools for our students, and we look forward to the next tutorial that we'll have to present to you. Have a wonderful day.